Hello guys, how are you doing? Good morning and welcome to another brand new video this week. Brand new weekly update on the light bar collection episode 52. So we have been trying, we have been working, very busy at the shop. We, yeah, okay, me and you guys, not just only me because I'm the only one here, except if some of my people who came for visit. But I've been the only one here. But as I said, we have been working with you guys. So how are you doing? Probably I started this week update early in the morning when I'll show you when I what I went to the market to buy. So I forgot then to do the introduction. I just decided to do the introduction. But actually, we have been very busy working, and as you can see on the decks, the particular bag I was making, those are the inner pockets. Those are five of them. So I've started with that as well. And here are some of the side on it. This particular one you are seeing here. So here are those side I'll be using to finish it up. But some of the accessories are inside there. So I'll just try my best to finish them up. Once I finish it, I will let you guys see. And I said earlier in the morning that there are some bag I'll be making some Ashoke bag 3 in 1. So I'll be showing that in this week, and once I make the sketch as well. But this particular one I'm doing today, I just pray, finger cross, I need to deliver it by tomorrow. But if not tomorrow, next. But I put it in my mind that I want to deliver it by tomorrow, so that's the reason why I need to work on it. Even if I can't finish it, I will do this till night, till I get tired and maybe want to leave to go home. So enough bothering you with my talk. So here is the weekly update episode 52. How are you guys doing? How have you been enjoying the weekly update? If you are new to the channel, so consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Um, Leave in the comment section below what you think. If you have any question on the project we have been doing, the bag I've been showing, or any other things or any tools you have question, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below, and give this video a giant thumbs up. And I think that is that for now. We'll turn the camera and show you more of this so that you can see it clearly. And that is it. See you at the other side. So guys, here is it. Yesterday I went for shopping. These are the things we later get: the chain, the zip head we'll be using for some of the projects. Then I bought this. There's some punch here I need. So when I get to the market, I decide to buy the whole sets. So I bought the whole set. Then my hammer got broken. So I need to get, you see, the one I was using before, this one. So I need to get this one to use on my punch, because this one and the punch is damaged a little bit. The punch is still perfectly well. So that's the reason why I bought this hammer. And I bought another gum. I get another gum. Then a material I will be using for the inside of the bag we are making, this black material. So I got this as well. Then lining is here, and some new projects we'll be doing Ashoke material. This is the Ashoke material. So once I lose everything out, you are going to see everything plainly. So but they are still here because they are work I'm doing right now that I need to finish up. So once I'm done with that work, you see everything we have here. So, and those bag we are working on, it has not been delivered yet. We are still working on them, trying to finish it up, because we have few left, which are this one. But later on I'm going to talk about them. So I will show you when I will be delivering them. In last week update we said, um I don't think, okay, I said I don't think I'll be able to finish it due to my schedule and other work I have done. And I just need to be fast about it, so I'll meet up the delivery date. So that's the reason why I didn't finish it up last week. Again, it's not included in the weekly update, but finger cross I'm going to finish that. Then finger cross on that Ashoke back for to start this week, the project. So once I make the scale, the illustration, the scaling, and the measurements, I will show you guys so you guys can see what the bags will look like. So the bag are 3 in 1. Well, by the way, you will still see it once we proceed. So bye and see you at the other side. So this is what I was saying about the side. They have been fixed, and here at the pocket the zip has been fixed. When you open it, and I need to sew the side this way, so everything has been sewn. I've also applied gum to it all, so I will fixing it. And the one inside again, let me show you the one we have inside. Here are the one we have inside the other pockets, the other pockets. Then we have this particular one, the front cover. Then I have the main cover. This is the front cover that will carry the big lock, and this is the main cover from back to the top, and the cover with the highlights, and one of it is also carrying the lock. You know, when you put this lock to that one, you lock it. So this is what you should be expecting. This is what, and probably I should be able to finish it today. I will update you. Even if it's at night, I will let you know if I'm able to finish it or not. So that's the update for now. As you can see, let me still show you the view of the shop for those of you who are watching the weekly update for the first time. It's not much at the shop, not much, but I need to do this year's today update because we added some tools and some machine, but some of them are not here at the shop because we don't use light here. I normally use gen to power it, but and it's not profitable. So sometimes I use that at home when I have work to do. So this is it for you guys. So guys, here are the bags. I just finished making the 5 of them. So it's left for me now to put. You see, this one is having the lock already. It's left for me to put the other ones, the lock. Then the chain as well. The chain has been already measured down, so I will do that. Once I do that, I will show you the outcome of it. Before we proceed to the rest of the weekly activities, the bag I promised to be making on the channel. So watch this as I will put the chain probably, and I will show you the outcome of them. So guys, here is the outcome of the bags. Here they are. You see how beautiful they are with this like rainbow design material we use on the bags. So probably it's night already, but I try my best to film this because we'll be sending them early tomorrow. We'll be revealing them. So probably I always promise and fail you guys that if I'm packaging, I would show you guys or once they deliver it. But sometimes due to work, the work is too much for me. So I'm just like, anyone I can do, I will just try my best to update you guys and see. And here are the smaller ones, those small ones we make last week update. I should be sending them together. I was supposed to send this first, but due to my schedule I was unable to send it. But I talked to the client and she accepted that I should send everything. That's the reason why I need to finish this, and it's already finished. What is left is just the screw inside. I just put this screw, and this two are not there yet, so I have to fix those screws for the 5 bag. So other than that, there's nothing else again. I'll just like I've burned all the excess thread. I'll just like go. What is left is for me to just check if there's any imperfection, to clean all the handprints on all these accessories, and other than that we are done. I package it and send it to the client. So guys, we'll still continue with the weekly activities by tomorrow or next. As long as I keep working in the shop, I will still update you guys on anything we are doing in the shop. Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow at the other side. So guys, this is the way I've decided to package everything. All the bags, all the 10 bags are here, and the 2 extra again, the white one I show. Then there's another one I just changed the eyelet yesterday, and the ring, and some of the chain are here. So here in this small carton now, I think we have 12 bags there with everything. So I decide to, now I've put everything down. Instead of me putting a carton to cover the top, I'll put this tissue, then put this nylon, and I will wrap it up with solid tape. So since it's not far to where I am, the person delivering it will take care of the item, so there will not be much. As you can see, here are some of the bags where I package them. These ones are facing this way, and these bigger ones are this way. So everything has been arranged. Once they get there, they will upload them and rearrange them the way the client wants it to be. So I just decided to show you this and let you guys know the way I package this particular product. So I will continue with the rest of the weekly activities. and I'll see you at the other side. So you guys don't laugh me that I'm using pick carton to package my bags to send to the clients. Please don't say anything. That's what I just decided to do today because I'm in a hurry, and I just did it. So here is everything. Here is the package. We'll be sending it. Thank God for grace. We are done with this, and we'll be starting those ashoki, those 3 in 1 bag today. By God grace, I pray so. So afternoon, guys. How are you doing? Welcome to the continuation of the weekly update, episode 51. At the beginning, I said it's episode 52, which is a mistake. So, I said we'll be making some bag that is 3-in-1 H-shape bags. You can see this is one of it down here, and the other one is at the other side. But it's a new design, so we have to go back and front, try and error, and with the clients communicate, show them what the first one look like. Then try to adjust the design a little bit. So we are in that phase, but there will not be time again for me to finish those bags, except I'm going to try my best. Once I make them, I will include it in the next week update. But let me turn the camera around so I can show you guys how the bags are looking. And here is the bag, and actually I dedicate a video to how I make this when I was making it. So the first one we make, this is how big it is. Now we are going to make another one which will look exactly like a H shape. This will be 2 of it. Actually, this is the new illustration and diagram we try to sketch out, and this is the previous one we make, which is that particular one you can see there. So, and we make other ones as well, which is this one. This is just a try and error as well, but a beautiful bag which you guys can get from us. This is actually for sale. So those are the things we have been up to for the week. I've not been making video or vlogging for like 3 days now because I've been busy with other works, other activities, going to market. So that's that particular bag and the other one there. So I think this is where we'll be stopping this video for this week. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new interesting tutorial on the channel or weekly updates. Share this with people you know it might be of help to them. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And for those of you who asked for our online training, we are still working on that. It's available one-on-one, but we are still making it to have like a package you can just choose from and pay just little amount for. So we are still working on that and working on some tutorial for the channel as well. So enough with the talk. Bye for now, and we are going to see you in next week update. Thank you guys for